Hope everybody's doing well. This morning is February 6th in our devotional, and it says, fight against bribery. Amos chapter 5 verse 12 says, for I know your manifold transgressions and your mighty sins, afflicting the just and taking bribes, diverting the poor from justice at the gate. Exodus 23 verse 8. Do not accept a bribe, for a bribe blinds those who see and twist the words of the innocent. Proverbs chapter 17 verse 8. A bribe is seen as a charm by the one who gives it. They think success will come at every turn. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 7. Surely oppression drives the wise into madness, and a bribe corrupts the heart. Deuteronomy chapter 10 verse 17. For the Lord your God is God of gods and Lord of lords, the great God, mighty and awesome, who show no partiality nor take a bribe. Psalms chapter 17 verse 4. Though people tried to bribe me, I have kept myself from the ways of the violent through what your lips have commanded. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 27. Greed brings grief to the whole family, but those who hate bribes will live. And James chapter 3 verse 16. Where jealousy and selfish ambitions exist, there will be disorder and every vile practice. And at the bottom it says, people are tired of corruption and bribery, and yet they often consider it for personal gain. For a speeding fine, you could just pass a few bucks under the table, and no one, not even your husband, has to know. For a few extra bucks, you can make sure you get the contract so that your finances can relax. Bribery undermines and destroys committees. It does not bring glory to God. It brings your integrity into question. Don't make any compromises. Keep your integrity. And that's a good one for this morning, February 6th. That's our devotional for this morning. I love you guys. I do have a video coming out today. I had to split it into two parts because it was kind of long, that lesson. So the first part will come out today and the second part will go out tomorrow. I know I can't keep people's attention on long videos, so I think I put you to sleep or something. But the first part will come out today, and then the second part to it that I recorded will go out tomorrow for you all on Jonah. So, as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. Love you guys. Bye.